The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Wow, where else can you buy 11 plus acres of land that is gentle enough to build on, that has a pond and on Blacktop Road for this price? Not only does this property have a pond already on the property, it has electric to the property. Very gentle and level building sites on the property, and has Forbes Lake of the Ozark amenities such as boat ramp, several lakes to fish from, tennis court, playground and an RV park for residents to use. Come take a look soon because this will not last long.